In a world where the journey matters as much as the destination, one name stands above all. The Foretravel Realm Presidential LV2, where luxury, engineering, and freedom converge. Starting at $1,081,400, the LV2 isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement. A bold declaration that travel can be as sophisticated as it is exhilarating. At its core lies Spartan's exclusive K4 chassis, engineered for unmatched ride quality and safety. Every mile is a testament to precision, every turn a dance of control and stability. This is luxury that doesn't just look beautiful, it drives beautifully. Step inside and you are immersed in a world of elegance. Premium leather, polished wood, and carefully curated finishes make every corner a masterpiece. Advanced technology surrounds you, from touchscreen controls to state-of-the-art entertainment systems, bringing modern convenience to your fingertips. The heart of the LV2 is its fully equipped kitchen, designed for culinary excellence on the road. Induction cooktops, high-end appliances, and elegant countertops make it easy to entertain guests or savor a quiet meal with family. And when the day ends, retreat to the master suite, a sanctuary of comfort and style. Plush bedding, panoramic windows, and serene lighting create an oasis wherever your travels take you. The LV2 isn't just about luxury inside, it's about presence outside. Its bold, aerodynamic design turns heads wherever it goes. A symbol of power, prestige, and adventure. Whether you're chasing sunsets on the coast, exploring remote mountains, or simply escaping the ordinary, the Foretravel Realm Presidential LV2 elevates every journey, because here, the road isn't just a path. It's a playground, luxury, innovation, freedom. Every detail has been perfected, every experience reimagined. From its robust engineering to its exquisite interior, the LV2 isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle. A declaration that you deserve the very best in every mile you travel. Foretravel Realm Presidential LV2, where every journey is legendary and every destination unforgettable. Your road, your kingdom, your legacy.